Hey friends, today I'm going to show you which game you can play in indoor game. Look, this is bowling, so I will show you how to play it. Let's go. Hey friends, look here. First of all, we have to arrange these bottles in decreasing order. I have arranged these bottles uh, in 4 parts, and then 3 parts in front of them, and then 2 parts in front of them, and 1 part in front of them. So friends, we have to hit to these bottles with the help of this small ball. For that we have to roll this ball along with the ground. So friends, our points are dependent on the bottles that are hit by the ball. So guys, you watch me. I'm going to start my game. So I got 9 points.